Alright guys, it is Saturday. Let me get you right. It is Saturday and I am starting my fruit and vegetable salad bar. So the first thing I'm doing is cutting up this pineapple. These 2 pineapples. Alright, I got 2 pineapples I'm cutting up. Cut it on the cutting board because I want all my juice, so I'm going to cut it in here. So whatever juice falls, and I'm about to do the second one. That's the pineapples. Nice and fresh. I squeezed a little lemon juice in there, so yeah. Doing 3 times, might I add. They were filthy. Filthy. So I washed my strawberries 3 times. I'm just going to take the tops off and cut them. I'm going to do 4. Lemon juice on it. Strawberry pineapples. I don't have real peaches, but I got canned peaches. I think I'm going to grab some of those because I love peaches in my fruit salad. So I'm going to grab some of those and put them in the container. For these, and then I got raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries in there. All right. I've been doing really good, y'all. I haven't had any bread. I had the wraps, the little shells, but other than that, I haven't had any bread, croissants and biscuits. I've been doing really good. Try not to eat a lot of fried food. Peppers and onions, they can be used for cooking as well as the salad bar. So, that's another reason I'm cutting everything up. So when I want to cook, I can have something ready. They are really small. I like them. So I'm going to add onions, red onion, peppers, with the guacamole. Do y'all see that? Look at that. They came, y'all. Now I gotta wash them and put my here. Go ahead. As my containers have arrived, I'm about to take them out of the box and wash them. I'm so excited. Oh my God, look. Lettuce, one spinach, and then I have shredded carrots and cucumbers. I just want to show you how good it looks. Look at that. Look at all the veggies, spinach, salad, lettuce, cucumbers, carrots, tomatoes, peppers, onions, fruit, bacon, raspberry, broccoli, cauliflower down here, celery sticks, all the condiments. I got grapes, cherries, strawberries, pineapples and pears. I got a bowl of shrimp and a bowl of chicken. All I need is cheese and some boiled eggs. That's all I got a little cheese, but y'all know me, I need more than this. Guys, this is the end of my vlog for the week. I'll be starting another one tomorrow, but I'm tired. I'm about to clean this mess up. And yeah, please hit that like and subscribe, hit that notification, and leave a comment. Tell me how you like my salad bar in the fridge. Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys my new candle my baby girl got me for Valentine. And then my little treats. They are chocolate covered banana, chocolate covered strawberry. it's going to so cute. Alright guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday, 1:08. I am about to start Sunday dinner, which is going to be my mom's recipe, neck bone soup. I got all my ingredients. My slow cooker, which is, gonna take care of that. And I stopped and got my babies a little treat. Look at my plate. Sea salt. Already really clean. Just had them sitting in the sink and place them at the bottom. I just want to let y'all know this salad bar in the fridge and fruit salad bar in the fridge, that's a game changer. And some black pepper. I put in my roasted garlic and herb. That is how it's looking. It's 1 o'clock, maybe a couple of hours. Alright guys, I'm about to start my hot water cornbread. I got a little butter in there. A nice amount of bacon. I just like how milk can give it a certain taste. Put it on the water to get started. I'm going to start mixing it. This, with milk and butter. Milk. You were sweet, but you were nice, and now you're giving me romantic eyes. What you want from me? You want my love, so you like my company. You want company, but it's complicated. Yes. Don't think I'm ready for it. Perfect. Perfect. I don't know how to get him out of my head. I need to think or I let you in my bed. Cause if you weren't me now, you'd be free now. I can't do it too cause that would be a mistake. I'm in the middle of a heartbreak. I need a minute, gotta learn to love me. Let me focus on me now. Give me a free now. Don't wanna do you wrong. Y'all, do y'all see this? There go the cornbread. And do y'all see the smoked neck bone? Ooh, if y'all could only smell it. Oh my God, look at that juice, all of the seasoning. Look at that. Just, it smells so good in this kitchen. Sir, ma'am. And I got some straws. And me some paper plates and napkins for Valentine's Day. I'm not going to use these right now, but I am. Get herbs. Stir this up. I'm gonna taste the liquor. We just gotta wait till the pasta cook. Alright guys, the soup is ready. Y'all see that?
Love.
That is it, guys. Neck bone soup. Look at that, with smoked neck bones, pasta, mixed vegetables, and some hot water cornbread. Oh, I cannot wait to eat. I cannot wait to eat.